Hello. Hello. Okay, hi. This is part two of the Bond XL project. So in the first part, we did the premium down here. I'm looking at it. I don't know if you're looking at it. We did the discount. Now we're going to do kind of a universal amortization schedule that can do premiums or discounts. Okay, so just like part one, this part two, I'm going to move pretty fast because I'm just trying to show you everything I'm doing so you can execute it. So first it says copy. We're going to copy and we're going to paste everything over. All right, copy paste, clear all conditional format rules, home, conditional formatting, clear rules from entire sheet, calculate the interest payments or redo that thing. Let me make this 100,000. I was messing around earlier. We'll keep them all 100,000. Make the coupon rate 10% just as before. Okay. Equals interest payment face value times the coupon rate divided by the number of payments per year. Bam. I'm going to choose a market interest rate, 6%. Check the bond price. That is still working. 8%, I guess, would be a good one to check. Yeah, still working, so we didn't have to change that. Check the original issue discount. Should be the same. Okay, so now let's see. This is not really what we want here, right? Because this is formatted to give us an error. So let's see. We don't need that error part. We don't need the if statement. We just need the abs, the absolute difference. So 52.42, if it's a premium, let's do a discount so we can convince ourselves, and there's it's going. So everything's working so far. Bond price, original issue discount, C4, and all the interest payments, that's working. So if I change this to 8%, those would change automatically. Interest expense formula, that doesn't change, that's working. Whoops. I just lost track of what I'm doing here. So I clicked on the wrong thing. Where are you? Okay, back. Check that the amortization is working. It's working. So this is working for a discount, but if we put in the premium, it's not quite getting us there. And we see right here that instead of staying above 100,000 and just decreasing every period like a premium bond should, we have these discount balances appearing. Okay, so change. It's telling us to change. Update the carrying value balance using an if statement. Fixed reference. And look, in the note, I give you all this information about it, but I already know what to do, so I'm going to do that here. And I'm going to say, so if this is less than, if it's less than the face value, that's a discount, and then it's minus. Otherwise, if it's it must be the premium case. So it's $I, $3, which is a fixed reference. So when we copy paste the formula, it'll still be pointing at the face value of 100,000, and it's going to be plus the premium balance. Oh, I had an error. Oh, where did I have an error? Oh, F3 has to be less than, what did I do? $I, $3. There we go. And now I can take this thing all the way down. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it goes to 100,000, which is the face value. Now let's do the discount. Ooh, I think this might be working. So update carrying value, complete the formulas, did that. Okay, so what's the other problem with this schedule? It says bound discount, and it says discount, and it says discount, and it says discount balance. What? Let me copy this from over here. This should be carrying value end. Okay. But sometimes we will have a premium, but it's telling us that this is a discount. So we have to make these titles right themselves. So if we go to this note over here, I'm going to go to edit note because this is just not big enough for me. All right, it says blah, bitty, blah, 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 amortization. So look at this one. The amortization title could be written as whatever this thing says, and I am just going to copy paste that in there. And look at that, it automatically wrote premium balance. That was pretty sweet. Oh, this one's in there. I didn't even see myself do that. Okay. So the other part we have to do is right here. So this says discount amortization schedule. Let's look here, and I'm going to edit the note so I can grab it because I left it in there for you and for me. I do want to point out, so I'm going to copy this in there, but before I do, if you notice in the title, we have these hard returns, which means each, Giamartino Inc. return, January 1 to 20X1 return, okay? So to get those to work here, oh my goodness, we can't do that. So what we're gonna do is maybe, I can't paste it in the cell, so I paste it in the formula window. And so what it does is that char 10, this char 10, when you have the text wrapping from wrap text from the homepage, what the heck is going on? So this char 10 puts in a hard return, okay? Let's see. What else do we have to do? Format dollar amounts, that looks good, looks good. Everything looks like it's in the accounting format. I want to do my interest rates with up to 2 basis points to do 2 decimal points, which is 2 basis points. Okay, so that you can mess around with stuff in between the whole numbers. Check the sum functions, looking good. I know it's looking good because the original premium balance is totaled here. Schedule works with different interest rates. I did that, and all the auto titles automatically adjust. Let me try that again. So I can put in 11.52. And that is a discount, amortization, discount, and discount. So now you have we practiced with the premium one and the discount one, and now we created a schedule that can do premiums or discounts. And in the next one, we'll do some charting. Maybe we'll get through all of it, maybe not. But right now, we've done pretty much enough for this video. So part 3 up next.